Welcome to the Politricks Watch. This is Sir P. Today this won't be a long video. In case you haven't realized, Vybz borrow Sprat and Deva Bratt. So we're seeing a Sprat versus a Brat. Interesting. But the two of them back and forth on social media. Well, borrow Sprat makes some talk and then Deva Bratt answer. We talk about it because I must say I do whole video already about the whole Deva Bratt situation. I'm telling you say Vybz borrow Sprat piggyback offer Deva Bratt ideas and concept. Sheep Nation refuse to accept this to this day. Them love going like Bratt, but some kind of genius. We go out they go find too much artists. Enough for the artists them only come from was Gaza. Vybz take them over. And the rest of them people carry them come give him. And people carry him come show him, yo, check out the artist man, in bad man, we're gonna work together. Then Vybz just take them over completely. And Sheep Nation make him sound like him as some kind of genius who just go out there and just find talent. They're gonna also put the offer on the table where Sheep Nation can't refuse. They're gonna put the offer on the table in this video, cause it won't be long, where Vybz borrow Sprat and Sheep Nation cannot refuse. From going to that my Patreon shout out, this one goes out to Misha. And it's coming from Drew. Misha, a long time this should have sent, but there's a little mix up when it comes on to the messaging because even though Drew have a special inbox where he can reach me upon over the Patreon side, he never understand it, so end up sending a message on Instagram and it get lost and there's so many messages, and by the time I finally get around to it, I say, hold on the Drew, should I send this over this one, man? So, better late than never. Misha, Drew tell me say your reasoning change him life. Drew tell me say when him come across you, start interact with you, things that may show him, change him life, change him entire course he was on. See, me have to wonder what them saying a good woman today and a good man today because me I wonder then what kind of aliens over Patreon squad. Cause people them want message me all the time and I send message say yo look YouTuber, big up the lady for me. Look YouTuber, big up the hobby for me. Message them what them said, me don't understand what me I see so because them say all Jamaican man are just dirty dog go just beat and torture and chop up woman. And every Jamaican woman is wicked harlot way will name out your heart out of your chest. So, me not understand where them women here come from. Me not understand where Misha come from. Right. Maybe good woman out there and good man out there, but when just keep this time, I don't know want them. I want to make real bad decisions. Maybe that's the case. Me don't know. I'm just a little YouTuber. I try bad mind some scammers. So, Misha, big up yourself. You and Drew. Hope and enjoy the holidays. More life, more good health, more prosperity, more love, more unity. Love to see messages like this. Remember say any woman can have an eagle eye. That don't mean nothing, can't just born with it. But when a woman can inspire a man, when a woman can motivate you, youth and youth, man and man, lock them down fast. That's all I can tell you now. We can talk about such man now. Make a bag of talk. And go as far as to say Deva Bratt rapable. I wonder if it's a different charge Deva Bratt get. Because if a that type of rapable not talk about Barabbas is in no position to say nothing. Because Barabbas is also guilty of the same thing. I can't the carnal type them I talk about. Barabbas, did Deva Bratt pick up one next charge I don't know about when they stick up on a woman at gunpoint and force himself on her? Or we are talking about the carnal type? Because for the carnal type, Barabbas, do you see same thing? Girl and boys. Ask Madsus. But forget about Madsus today. The girl in the Gaza camp right now, the one of them they run me and then bring back. The one who used to go Queen's High School. Put her up on a lie detector test. You don't have money right when you can afford it. Put the Gaza female on a lie detector test. Don't ask her because she go deny it because she want to go on a stage show. And she want the tune and she want to get featured upon tune and go on tour. So she go lie. So put her up on a lie detector test. I'm talking about the Gaza girl who went to Queens. Ask her which age Barabbas did start having way with her. Make sure she did on a lie detector test because she want the stage show. You saw the whole of them run gone back under them pimp umbrella. Just like I predicted, me tell you say hookers always return to them daddy. So she want to go on a stage show, she want the tune, so she go lie. So put her up on a lie detector test and ask her which age Barabbas start to have him way with her. Then you tell me how Barabbas are called Deva Bratt rape a bull when that didn't make him and Deva Bratt the same thing. I'm just saying if somebody throw it out there then we can talk about it. Unlike me throw it out there. Put her up on, I'm talking about the one who went to Queens High School. Ask her from which grade such man used to have him way with her. You see enough of them when you see around Barabbas? Me tell you say him take enough of them soul, figuratively, from them very young him getting at them head and them underwear. Ask Mad Sauce, ask that girl who went to Queens. But if we not talk about the carnal case, such man is in no position to speak. Sheep Nation, such man, it has to be studied. By the way, when since Sprat have a problem with rape a bull, Sheep Nation, confirm the lyrics. Did such man not say free Jacure in our song? What did Jacure get convicted for? What am I longing for? Somebody tell me about rape a bull Jacure. Remember? Did Sprat not say free Jacure? Surely he has no moral issues with rape a bull when he's on record saying to free one. Don't take my word for it. Flankers still exist in the wipe off of the map yet. We don't know about no Scud missile that blew up flankers and everybody dead. Flankers people them still alive. The girl who Jacure raped still alive, but maybe you don't believe her because she not on the tune. So talk to flankers people, but then tell you about the real Jacure. A gunpoint Jacure raped the girl at. But Jacure go boss big in her prison. And you get already when you have tune. So Barabbas can't have no problem with rape a bull. Cannot. Barabbas is trying to discredit Deva Bratt because him know say that cloud hang over him and is really Deva Bratt. Was the mastermind behind the foundation as to what become Gaza. Deva Bratt and enough other man. We talked about them already. I told them I sound little dopey but we're frightened. So you can't even say certain things about them because tomorrow morning when you see them in a Barabbas lap, you can't trust them with them on the spine. Bascomex is another one. Barabbas piggyback off enough things for Bascomex too. But Bascomex and him on the spine. Right now if Barabbas tell them say yo, jump on the stage show no, then me run right back on the umbrella so you can't even to stick out your neck on the line for them because as I said them on the spine. But Bascomex, Deva Bratt and them with there, and them help shape enough of what no come from towards Gaza. Barabbas is a usurper. If you don't know what that means, Google it. And before the video done, I just want to say this. Ironman people, even though there's still a large percentage of them who are nothing more than sheep as Barabbas say, they like you sheep, I realize there's a big awakening. You don't notice things the Barabbas gonna do one time and fool like 95% of Jamaicans can't work again. When him do him look at Mickey Mouse interview them, the people them say things. But one time I made officer say, yo, you know say Barabbas do this and Barabbas do that. Right now people say call it out. The people them say right through Barabbas right now. When him get asked certain questions and him try go around it with some little Mickey Mouse style and try use him little strawman arguments and deflect, people say right through the little Sprat. It has to be studied. Before the Jackie video drop, me have a little trivia for you. Who remember a song where Barnabas said, beg him a light and kill him sweet? Remember that? Beg him a light and kill him. Who remember that song? Who remember it? Alright, only want to hear about it in the Jackie video. Only want to hear about it in the Jackie video. It has to be studied. In another song, the Barnabas was talking about a Jackie killing. We're not going to hear all kind of names. We're not going to hear about one time you go shoot up because of a piece. We're not going to hear about all kind of things. We're not going to hear what Barnabas ended up with Jackie himself. Before the video done, I give you half a Sheep Nation. I give you half a Vybz bar Sprat. Vybz Pro Box. Deva Bratt says something where I go carry it one step further. Deva Bratt said Barnabas can't call Lizard. I take it one step further. If Vybz bar Sprat can video call Lizard, since my link with all them old victim them, remember say Popcorn and Ja Vinci and Not Nice and all them there are some victim them, you know. All them old victim them beat and trample and abuse and all kind of things. Some of them all get molested. Right, the whole of them, the females them, the whole of them, who no get beaten and broke up and all kind of something. Since my link back with all them victims them, I want him link back with another one, Lizard. If Vybz bar Sprat can video call Lizard, I will never make another Barnabas video again. Ever. I remember say we know we're living in the age of AI, so we know AI right now, so we don't fall for dopey bot tricks. We are talking about a real lizard. Remember you know? Them say lizard not dead. I said them to team up the same, I said dog, call lizard not dead dog, give my hideout. So he make back link with everybody. Spineless Popcorn, spineless Not Nice, spineless Ja Vinci, all them that we see a ball. We literally saw Ja Vinci a ball. Now he's back on them daddy umbrella. So since then they make Lizard ball too, link back with Lizard, video call Lizard. And I will never make another Barnabas video again. Even if you chop off 500 baby head. I will never make another video call Lizard. And the little YouTuber, Sheep Nation and Barnabas videos will come to an end. I'll go one step further. I'll go back and delete every video I have where we mention Barnabas. This is an excellent offer, no? This is a world-class offer. Give us a real video of Clive Lizard Williams, Yanni Matak. I'm talking fact, forget about video call. Turn upside down. You have enough money to fly go which part in there. Link back with him. Offer him 120,000 US. Him not turn that down. Stand upside down. Do what even him family can do. See him and hear from him. And I will never ever mention Barnabas again, and I will delete every Barnabas video from my channel. This is an excellent offer, no? Because Deva Bratt saying can't call Lizard. So I'm going to prove it right now. He have the chance to get rid of a little YouTuber. When it comes down to talk about it in various crimes. He have a chance now to get rid of a little YouTuber. Surely he can't turn on that opportunity. Surely. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Ultra squad, stay circling. Bless.